Mm.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jiva, and today I am going to explain the concept of a linked list, which is one of the fundamental data structure in computer science. A linked list is a linear data structure similar to an array, but with one major difference: it does not store elements in memory locate the data itself and a pointer that links it to the next node in the Se- second, the key feature of a linked list is dynamical memory allocate. Because each node pointers to the next, we can insert or delete elements anywhere in the list efficiently without shifting other elements like we do in arrays. Um, there are different types of linked list. A singly linked list has nodes and that point only to the next node. A double linked list. There is also a there is also a circular linked list where the next node points back to the first, creating a circle of nodes. Linked lists are used in real-world application implementing stacks and queues, dynamical memory management, graph list, and even in music or video playlists where items are added or removed frequently. The structure prevents efficiency for many operations make them essential for programmers to understanding. In summary, a linked list is a chain for nodes connected by pointers, offering dynamical memory usage and easy inserting and deleting. Understanding linked lists is fundamental to learning more advanced data structures and algorithm. Thank you for listening, and I hope this explanation helps you understand the concept of linked lists clearly.